In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the showing of correct answers to quiz participants on your Google form quizzes. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is select the settings tab up at the top left. Make sure this a quiz is toggled to the right and enabled. And then you want to go down to where it says respondent settings. Should be a section that says correct answers. Respondents can see correct answers after grades are released. Go ahead and toggle this on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.